Jump in, joyful word explorers. Today's journey begins with the jazzy letter J, full of jolly, juicy, and jaw-dropping words. Let's jingle through 5 jubilant J words that'll jazz up your vocabulary. The image explains the word jacket potato as a big potato baked with its skin. It shows a baked potato on a plate and 2 smiling children, helping kids understand that jacket potatoes are tasty and eaten with their skin. The image explains the word Jack in the Box as a toy with a surprise inside. It shows a colorful box with a clown popping out and 2 smiling children, helping kids understand that a Jack in the Box is a fun toy that jumps out when opened. The image explains the phrase Jack of all trades as a person who can do many kinds of work. It shows a man with tools and 2 smiling children, helping kids understand that some people can fix, build, and do lots of different jobs. The image explains the word jackknife as a big knife that folds into its handle. It shows a red folding knife and 2 smiling children, helping kids understand that a jackknife is a special knife that can be safely closed. The image explains the word jack-o'-lantern as a pumpkin with a carved face and light inside. It shows a glowing pumpkin and 2 smiling children, helping kids understand that jack-o'-lanterns are fun decorations made for Halloween. Just wow, word explorer! You juggled those J words like a pro. Join us again tomorrow for more jazzy journeys.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.